We are here in Albuquerque, New Mexico, and I'm gonna give you guys the best, most concise Breaking Bad tour ever. Walter White's house. This right here is Jesse Pinkman's residence. New garage where the RV used to be parked. Hank and Marie's house. This is Walton Schuyler's car wash. Saul Goodman, attorney at law. So y'all remember Tuco Salamanca? Crazy dude. This is HQ, if you remember at all, where Walter throws that meth and blows up the place. Heisenberg, you know Heisenberg, him storming out. Yeah, this is the spot. Wendy. This right here is Gus's laundromat, DEA headquarters. Jesse and Jane's apartment. This right here is the Candy Lady. This is where we come, I guess, if you want to have a true Breaking Bad experience when you come to Albuquerque. So we're gonna go check it out. So I just gotta put this guy on, right? Mm-hmm. All right. More than I was expecting.
Really?
It's great.
It's great. Yeah, we have people from all over. I have people from Italy coming in. They love it.
Yeah?
Take a picture.
Oh man, I look nothing like this guy, but...
I don't know. You got the mustache. It kind of it's working, yeah.
This is so cool.
You can scoop it.
Mike, the big guy, the great big guy, he's the one that was at the pay booth every time they went in.
Mike AMTRAK.
Yeah.
Yeah, Jonathan Banks.
And he stood up and said, yes, it is. So
wow.
He signed autographs and took pictures with them. Oh, so most of them was very, very nice.
That's awesome. Those were absolutely the sweetest folks. I got my goodies. Pin, sticker, magnet, and of course, my blue meth. This spot right here should also look relatively familiar if you are a Breaking Bad fan. Remember when Jesse Pinkman decides he wants to just throw out all that money he earned, all that hard-earned money? The doghouse. Yes, we are here to film the Breaking Bad scenes, but we are also here to eat. Just because, why not eat at a place where this show is filmed? If I'm in ABQ, I'm gonna eat at all the ABQ places that show up in Breaking Bad. Most definitely Los Pollos Hermanos, AKA Twisters. This right here is Los Pollos Hermanos, Gus Fring's very, very fine chicken establishment. This right here is Walter White's seat. Same universe, completely different show, but this is Chuck McGill's house. I don't know if it's common knowledge, but a lot of the Breaking Bad locations and Better Call Saul locations are all so close to each other, like just eerily close. So close that this right here is Chuck McGill's house from Better Call Saul. Across the street, Jesse Pinkman's house. Literally right over there. This is Jimmy McGill's billboard. This right here is Mike's toll booth from Better Call Saul. This is Mike's house. Hamlin, and McGill.
Come on, get over it. Go home. You took your pictures already.